Our webinar just ended and you clicked on the link that I asked you to click. Nearly 20 years ago, I started trading in the live markets. I knew that I was onto something amazing. To me, trading was the best way to better my life for both my wife and me. Back then, we both had jobs. Every night, I would spend about an hour or so researching stocks to trade the next day. After dinner, I would disappear in front of my computer and I would scan around 100 charts every night, and I would set my buy orders for the next day. My trading just didn't take me a lot of time to do. I would do my research and set my orders at night or in the morning before work. It never interfered with my work. To this day, I trade a similar routine. The freedom that trading offers is fantastic. It was not lost on me that trading was the best kind of business model out there. Think about it. One, it gives us flexibility. You can trade from anywhere. I mean, factually speaking, several of our students literally trade from beaches from around the world today. Two, it gives us freedom. You can be in the live markets or out of the market at any given time. And three, risk mitigation. Every trade can be protected with a stop loss, which is like a safety net. And that order can be set on each and every trade that you have. Again, it's like a safety net for every trade you're in. Every dollar of mine is considered to be an employee. My employees have to be making me money, not losing me money. Today, I know where to find the best trades. I know how to locate the strongest stocks. I know how to quickly scan a larger group of charts to find even more trading setups. And I know how to find trade setups ready for massive breakouts. I know precisely when to enter a trade. I know how to protect my trades and exit my trades to maximize profits. My steps and systems make trading easy for me. But the big problem is this. There's just too much trading information out there. The books, seminars, the internet. One book says one thing and the other book says something different. It's frustrating. It was frustrating to me. I know it's frustrating to you. I know this. I was once there. You try anything and everything to find that edge in the market. Yet month after month, you look at your trading account and you see that it's diving lower and lower. The solution that I found, and I'll put this simply, it's the assimilation of all that tested information and that being put into a tradable system. So all that information out there on the internet, all that information out there in all the different books, it's about assimilation of that information in a workable system, in a workable trading system. I tried the books. I tried the trading seminars. I tried the information found on the internet. None of these worked for me personally. What did work for me was a trading mentor. Mentoring was the fastest and easiest way to learn to trade live markets with great confidence, period. For me, sitting with somebody, asking my questions at my speed was perfect. Mentoring is the fastest and easiest solution to becoming a master trader. Fill out the form now and do not wait. Let me explain to you what you can expect when you fill out the form. We will contact you via email to schedule a discovery call. During the discovery call, we will ask you basic questions about your trading. Also, we will ask you pre-qualifying questions to see if you'll be a right type of student for Grok Trade. Let me explain, and I'll give you a tip here. We only want students who have the greatest chance of being a successful trader. We will ask you why you feel you should be a Grok Trade student. If you qualify, we'll tell you on that call. If you do not, we'll guide you to other resources that will meet your level of development. Grok Trade has over 2,500 mentee students. We know who we're looking for, and we know how to make superstar traders. Fill out the form now.